How to fix fast charging not working on iPhone. So let's get started. The first fix is to check for dust or debris in charging port. Inspect the lighting port for lint or dirt using a flashlight. Gently clean it with a soft brush or toothpick, no metal tools. Now the other fix is to use an authenticate Apple charger. To enable the fast charging, use a genuine Apple 20W USB-C power adapter or a certified USB-C power delivery PD charger. Use a USB-C to Lightning cable, preferably original Apple or MFI certified made for iPhone is better. Using cheap or fake accessories can disable fast charging and even harm your battery. Then simply try using another authenticate Apple 20W plus adapter and cable to run out faulty accessories. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store to check for hardware issues. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.